guys, I'm Shikha and this is Beat-On Style Under 3 where we break down the latest looks of your favorite Bollywood celebrities. Today we're talking about a look of Priyanka Chopra, who was seen in a head-to-toe Ralph Lauren brown suede look. Here's breaking her look down. She wore a midi skirt which was in a brown suede fabric, which she styled with a suede shirt that had a plunging neckline, and she matched the shoes with the shirt, which means she was wearing brown suede pointed toe pumps that matched the shade of her shirt. The way she accessorized it is by keeping it super minimal. She was wearing dangling earrings and she wore a really soft face of makeup with really soft hair in a ponytail. The entire look was head to toe brown and suede, which could look a bit much, but I feel like Priyanka really pulled it off like a boss and she killed it, and thank God she did not go loud with her hair and makeup. Now, speaking of the trends that we pick up from this look of Priyanka's, suede and leather are really big trends for fall winter 2019. Suede, in fact, is a fabric that we haven't seen around in a while and has made a major comeback this season. So a few pieces here to show you guys how you can style your look, starting with a leather and suede combination. Over here I have a really interesting jacket that is a nice soft brown suede to keep you warm in the winter season. It has the leather detail via its sleeves over here, and what I think you should pair this with is a pair of brown leather culottes. So over here we have a pair of brown leather culottes from Forever 21. You could go all suede or all brown in this by pairing it with a pair of closed-toe suede brown pumps the way Priyanka did, or you could wear brown strappy sandals, but I do suggest keeping your footwear in brown with an outfit like this one. Of course, this is a wider leg and this is like a nice and oversized jacket, so what you could do is either zip up the jacket or wear a really sexy bustier on the inside. When picking the bustier, pick something in a warmer tone and not a white or a black in a cooler tone. Pick either a brown or a gold or a bronze. Those tones would look good with this outfit. With your accessories, again, keep it minimal since the fabric in itself is such a statement. The other outfit that we can put together is again a bomber jacket. This is a brown suede bomber jacket, and to give it a bit of a feminine touch, you can pair it with a button-down skirt like this one. This is in a bit of a rust orange color that beautifully complements the suede fabric as well as the brown in it. You could pair this with a pair of brown shoes, or you could also wear a pair of golden heels if you want to dress it up a little bit. That's all we have from today's episode. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So recently, for an airport look of Priyanka Chopra, she went the androgynous route where she was seen wearing an all-grey look. Here's breaking her look down. She wore a grey pantsuit, which was a long line oversized blazer, very powerful blazer, had shoulder paddings as well, along with a matching pair of trousers. On the inside, she wore a grey turtleneck, and she completed the look in terms of styling with white boots, sunglasses, and her hair left loose and very, very minimal makeup. Now, the idea of wearing a turtleneck inside of your pantsuit for the winter season is great. I think it looks super chic and is a much better option than wearing a white shirt or a tank top on the inside. I think that's so done to that. However, in Priyanka's case, I think the outfit did not quite work because, first of all, the blazer was oversized, the length of the pants was super long, and both of them were grey, and on top of that she wore a grey turtleneck on the inside. So it was too much of one color and there was nothing to break the monotony. Whenever you're doing a monotone look, you must always pick accessories to break the monotony. So picking up the idea of wearing grey, a grey pantsuit with a turtleneck, I'm going to show you just how to do it. First up, I would suggest if you're going for an all grey look, pick two different hues of grey, either with the turtleneck or with the pant and the blazer. For example, what we have over here, this one is a darker grey, these trousers, and then we have this blazer over here, which is a bit of a lighter grey but also has a black texture on top of it. And because this one's a darker grey, the black texture on this grey blazer complements the pants really well. So in this case, you could choose to wear a grey turtleneck on the inside. If you want to have a little bit of fun, what you could do is pick a turtleneck in a pop color. So pick a turtleneck like this one. Just wear it inside this grey blazer, because grey in itself is a very neutral color. It does not pop or shine as much, especially if you think it's for an event where you're going to get photographed a lot. I'd highly recommend wearing a pop colored turtleneck on the inside instead of picking a neutral hue like a black, white, beige or grey the way Priyanka did. So that's all we have from this episode of Beat-On Style Under 3. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Recently, Priyanka Chopra was seen in a burst of floral print where she was seen wearing a coordinate set which was a kind of a sea green, teal green in color, and it had a mix of floral prints on it, a very, very colorful outfit. It was a double-breasted long line top which had a long line Omi style belt attached to it to cinch the waist, so she'd worn it as a jacket, and then the belt was hanging. And I think extra long belts are a trend that we saw last year, and we do see a little bit of it now as well. Mostly people do it in a lot of streetwear or athleisure-esque looks, but in this case it worked as well. She of course wore the top with a matching pair of wide leg pants that had a similar print on it as well. The one trend that we pick up from over here is that trends and prints may come and go, but floral print is a classic. It's been in style since forever. So I'm going to show you some ways in which you can have fun with big bold floral prints and make a statement just the way Priyanka Chopra did with her coordinate set. The first one that we have over here is a pair of slouchy trousers like this one. This is, since it's a black trouser and it has a lot of neutral solid colors on top of it, I think it's something that you could wear to work as well. You could style it with a white shirt tucked inside and a pair of black pumps to complete the look. If you want to make it a little bit more subdued, you could layer the entire look with a blazer, so the trousers remain the statement and you could work the look at work. For those of you who shy away from wearing a burst of different colors and different floral prints, try to stick to one and try to stick to a monotone burst of floral prints. For example, in this jumpsuit over here, it's a tropical print. It's a very neutral, muted color, and it's the same print from head to toe, so you don't look like a walking bouquet. Another way to keep it a little bit subtle and subdued is to pick a dress like this one. It has a self print on it, so basically the print is the same color but it stands out at the same time. Floral print may often be associated with something that's often worn in summer dresses or during the daytime, but with a dress like this one you could totally rock it in nighttime. That's all we have from this episode of Priyanka Chopra's burst of prints. I will see you guys in another episode. Bye bye.
Hey guys, I am Swati, your Myntra style expert, and I welcome you to B-Town Style Under 3, where we break down the latest celebrity looks all under 3 minutes. Today we are breaking down an airport look of Priyanka Chopra. PC was snapped at the airport looking stylish as ever in a silk color blocked bomber jacket, which she styled with a pair of skinny blue jeans along with a white tank top. She styled the look with a backpack, round sunglasses, and a pair of white sneakers. Silk bomber jackets are one of the hottest trends that hit the streets in spring 2016 and have now gone on to become a classic. They provide us with the coolest transitional piece between winter and spring. Just like our obsession with sneakers and denim, bomber jackets are another piece that combine the practicality and style in a perfect way. You can choose a beautiful floral embroidery one, much like the one that PC wore, or an Asian-inspired one, depending on your personality. Besides, it is very easy and quick to style your own bomber jacket outfit. They will make a fantastic look with the jeans and sneakers in your wardrobe. Let me show you some of the interesting bomber jacket pieces that we have here. The first one here is a print trend that is major this spring-summer, and that is paisley. While we see paisley mostly in sundresses and desi wear, a bomber jacket is a cool and fun way to incorporate the print trend into your look. Another cool and unexpected style of a bomber jacket is the one with velvet. A velvet bomber jacket helps to add some elegance and sophistication to an otherwise boring outfit. This particular bomber jacket also has a beautiful oriental print on it. Last but not the least, we all know how massive a trend neon is. And adding neons into your bomber jacket look, you could try a jacket like this one that has neon along with a white on the bottom to add some balance to the look. You could layer these cool jackets over a pair of basic blue denims like this one and add a white tank top like Priyanka did, or a simple dress. That's the beauty of having a bomber. It goes with everything. That is all from this episode. I will see you guys later. Bye.
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.